And health officials have been warning people to not gather this Thanksgiving, but a lot of you are still planning on a family celebration. Now with this, there is a big concern that COVID may be an uninvited guest. As Mike McDaniel explains, it's private gatherings that's being linked to an increase in new cases.
It's everything from here.
As folks pick up those last-minute items for the Thanksgiving table, state leaders and healthcare workers are urging everyone to keep COVID off the menu, but on the mind.
People really need to be making responsible decisions when no one's looking. No one's going to police your dinner parties.
Part of that is rethinking small gatherings, which are partly being blamed for spikes in new coronavirus cases, leading to more hospitalizations and deaths. As of Wednesday, more than 6,300 Louisianians have died related to COVID, and hospitals are seeing an increase in COVID-related patients.
Holiday parties are a recipe for disaster right now.
Because of increasing numbers, Louisiana is back under modified Phase 2 restrictions. While businesses and public spaces can be regulated to an extent, it's those thoughtless private settings where there's concern about community spread.
Some people do well and some people don't. Nobody wants to get it.
And not worth the risk if you ask Jefferson Parish President Cynthia Lee Sheng. A report from the White House Coronavirus Task Force shows Jefferson Parish as the third leading parish in the state for new coronavirus cases over the last 3 weeks. Lee Sheng says any gatherings should be well thought out for safety or shouldn't happen at all.
We just need people to really stay safe, especially Thanksgiving where you're mixing, grandparents with college age and high school age kids. Could be a very dangerous time.
A time when medical leaders say personal responsibility comes into play.
If we get together in large family groups or even small family groups and spread the virus in private settings, that's something that we have to take responsibility for.
Mike McDaniel, Eyewitness